Good morning to all my viewers. Today I'm thinking to go to Jatayu because I'm still staying in Varkala. But before I'm going there, I'm going to make my breakfast right here using this one again. Here is the stoves. Here I have the beautiful saucepan right here, and this is my surrounding. Very pretty, right? It's a beautiful morning. Coconut tree, banana trees, papaya trees, mango trees. The place is full of nature. So good. See? And this is my homestay right there. Beautiful. Alright, let's make some noodles. I mean Maggi right now. This is it. Where's my lighter? The lighter is right there. Now I'm going to turn on this gas. See? It's easy peasy. And I'm putting the water to get hot, to get boiled. And right here, I'll show you. I have last night leftover a bit lump of chicken, very big. And I have this noodle, Yippee, right here. So I'm going to make this. And first of all, I'm going to put this masala right here. I prefer to add masala before the water gets boiled. So that way, all the masala will get boiled very properly and uniformly distributed, the flavor. Alright, this is a good angle. And this is my second time I'm making like this. The first one was on chennai. I'm going to stir it right now. And I'm going to put this a bit chunk of chicken like this way by shredding. Alright, it's boiling now. Let me turn off a little bit. This is going to be a very good. It's very hot. Alright, this is too much. So I'll keep here. And this is the noodle. Oh my god, this is too much. Now I'm going to gently stir it like this way. Cooking Maggi in the homestay, and this is going to save my breakfast. I don't need to spend more money in breakfast now. This is so good. Okay, let me turn on a little bit, increase the heat. Alright, this is so good. I'm cooking my Maggi, my Yippee right here. This is crazy, but so fun, so cool. Almost done. Okay, now let me add the rest. This one. Yum yum yum. It's going to be a very delicious one because there are so many chicken. I did not throw away the leftover last night. I just gave it because I wanted to remix the noodle so that I don't waste the food and I'm getting the protein from the chicken as well. So it's a very good thing. 95% done. Wow. This is going to be so good. Yum 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 yum. Alright, it's done. Okay, I turn off the flame because it's done. Now let's try. But it's very hot. Wow. Let me try the chicken piece first. It's quite. That's good. Alright. Let me try one more. But it's very hot. I cannot eat very hot food. Very good. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.